Hello, in front of me I have Huawei P9 Lite Mini, and I'm gonna show you how to change the keyboard language on this device. First we need to open the settings. To do that, let's just swipe left on the screen, like that, and then tap the settings icon right here. Once in settings, let's scroll down and tap on the advanced settings. Here let's select language and input. And now let's check what's our default keyboard. Right here it says SwiftKey, so let's tap on SwiftKey right here. And then languages. And now you can open the list of languages by just tapping right here. And now to change the language we need to add one. For example, let's tap on Arabic, and as you can see it appeared here. And you can either turn off the English one to make this one default, or you can leave them both on and change them as you want. And to do that, let's just close this, open something we can write in, for example Chrome, tap here. And as you can see, the keyboard is still in English, but we can change it to Arabic by just touching and holding on spacebar and then swiping left or right, like that. Now let's bring it back to English, like this. It's quite easy. Now let's close this and go back to settings. And here you can also remove the languages from the list, and to do that we just touch and hold on one of them. Oh, first you need to turn it off, my bad. Turn it off and then touch and hold on it and confirm by tapping delete. And that should be all. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and leave the like on the video.